Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It is fantastic to have you here once again for a new DIY video. Today I have to clean this saucepan that unfortunately I forgot on the cooker for a long time. I'm a terrible cook. Anyway, to clean it I think the best option is to use a Scotch Brite sponge, but I have to speed up the process. So I decided to make a Scotch Brite pad for the drill. Okay, I have this left-hand threaded bolt for the drill and I think I can use it with the Scotch Brite sponges. You can use also a regular right-hand threaded bolt, but it could be unlocked by the vibrations. No big deal anyway. Use two nuts well tightened and you'll be okay. Now take the sponges and cut them in 2 equal pieces. You can make the pieces round or square or even rectangular, as I did. They will be okay anyway. Then find the center of the sponges and with a pointed hole or a marlin spike, punch a hole in the center. We are almost done. Now all we have to do is to mount the sponges on the bolt. Easy peasy and ready to clean. If you can, use the highest speed of your drill. The pad will turn better and will clean faster. I also recommend to use goggles and mask to avoid dust problems to your eyes and lungs. As you can see, it works perfectly. I use the pad as is, but you can add some polishing paste to get even better results. Inside it is really dirty. Much better, isn't it? In few minutes and with only a little effort, the saucepan is perfectly clean. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.